Thank you so much. We have one question,
Okay.
and I'm going to send it over to you, which is, can you explain the difference between branding and trademarking?
Branding and marketing. Yes.
Branding and trademarking.
Say it one more time.
Trademarking.
Trade marketing. Did I have that on here? Branding and trademark. Oh, so branding, I see where we're going with this. So branding is the voice and what your product is. So your brand is your logo, your packaging, all the things we talked about in that brand strategy. So when you say your brand essence, your promise, that's your brand. That's if your brand was a person, or if your product was a person, your brand is describing who that person is. So this is what they are, this is what they do, here are the things they like. Your brand is essentially that entity. Trade marketing is when you take your brand to life. So that's when you as a person start taking actions. If your brand is a person, that's when the person starts interacting and taking action. So for example, branding is your packaging and your messaging. Trade marketing is taking that to action. So trade marketing is when you have, I'll use an example from a past experience, but trade marketing is when you go into a dispensary and you have a display. That's more like trade marketing, and you have some actual packaging around it and you have display signs. That's when you look at it and becomes more trade marketing. Trade marketing can be those little flyers, or that's not the right word. Flyers are little things that you're handing out that talks about what your product is. So it has a little bit more of the features and benefits is. So really branding is who they are. Trade marketing brings it to life and describes what that is to the consumer. So I hope that made sense in how I explained that.
And I think, just in case the question was about trademarking is...
Trademarking. I think you said trade marketing.
That's
I was like,
okay.
What a weird question. What did I answer that? Okay.
That's okay. Somebody sent in, I think
Trademarking is a legal thing, so, you know.
So trademarking is protecting your intellectual
Yes.
property through a variety of legal routes, either state or federal. So I think that was the question, although the trade marketing was actually a pretty interesting answer. So.
Yeah, I mean, I just went in a whole different direction. So hopefully that was helpful because, yeah, two different things. All right.
Well, thanks so much. That was fantastic. We appreciate you coming.